Welcome back to Megaverse Builds. We're here at Spotify Camp Nou with excellent weather conditions allowing construction to proceed at full capacity. No wind, no rain, perfect conditions for advancement across multiple fronts, including sandwich panels, slats, and compression ring components. Today we'll explore progress on elevator structures, glass panel installations, and preparation work signaling upcoming slat installations. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and helps us grow. Let's dive into today's progress around the stadium. We start today at the Tribuna section, where a major milestone has been achieved. Concrete panels are now installed at the base of elevator shaft structures. Chrome tubes remain extensively staged, awaiting installation phases. Upper scaffolding shows reduced activity today, with protective plastic sheeting now completely removed from panels. Moving to the diamond commercial zones, the cafeteria structure shows an elevated platform, positioned though currently unoccupied. Corner glass panels installed last week remain the latest advancement, with upper doorway panels still pending. The official store diamond displays minimal changes, with earth grading now completely finished. The ramped entrance is fully formed, with previously poured concrete now cured. Glass configurations remain unchanged, though interior sounds suggest ongoing work in non-visible areas. Between Tribuna and South Goal, workers installing blue protective safety netting below prefabricated seating beam structures. At the South Goal area, fresh structural components have been positioned in upper zones. Support bracket sectors show no advancement over multiple weeks, with left sector brackets still awaiting installation, while right sector brackets remain stalled. The corner section presents significant developments. Tensioning cables are now being installed, connecting support brackets throughout the structure. Multiple cables are visible linking bracket assemblies. This advancement strongly suggests slat installation may commence soon, potentially before the adjacent sector completes. Workers on platforms operate behind bracket connection pieces, performing inspection or preparation tasks. Two platforms function in lower zones with a concrete pump positioned nearby. Before we continue, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds if you haven't already. It's completely free and helps us bring you these daily construction updates. Now, let's keep exploring the progress around the stadium. Moving to the lateral section, elevator structures show sandwich panels reaching complete upper height with characteristic gaps. The right structure displays newly installed panels with a blue platform positioned, indicating continued work. Two scaffolding towers remain positioned between radial beams, prepared for phalange installation. Advancing closer reveals only one phalange remains in mid-lateral staging. The second has been relocated to North Goal Corner. The compression ring pillar with yellow support hardware remains staged. A concrete pump actively pours in upper zones where rebar mesh was positioned last week. The corner zone shows blue waterproofing tarps, now displaying positioned rebar, indicating imminent concrete pouring. One section exhibits freshly poured concrete, where hydraulic hammer chipping occurred previously. The surface appears recently finished. 4 platforms operate with workers, visible though anchor installation doesn't appear to be commencing. At the North Goal Corner, substantial glass panel quantities are installed throughout, with extensive coverage across central sections. Upper zones show rock wool insulation positioned. A machine operates on floor surfaces, appearing to perform marking or surface preparation rather than polishing. The central North Goal section shows workers on platforms at support bracket structures performing preparation tasks, though anchor installation isn't anticipated immediately. Upper zones display platform and crane activity positioning beams. The North Goal Corner demonstrates ongoing 4th chrome tube level installation, with workers on platforms positioning fresh sections. glass panel staging is substantially depleted, with nearly all panels now installed. Prefabricated seating continues staging with active lifting observed. That's today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. I hope you enjoyed seeing the concrete panels at Tribuna, tensioning cables on support brackets, and protective netting going up. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring you daily construction updates. Thank you so much for watching Megaverse Builds. See you in tomorrow's update with more progress from the stadium.